Hi, I hope you're doing well during the lockdown. This is a very simple DIY decor video for all the mothers whose kids' birthdays are falling during this pandemic. This video is really simple. Even a beginner who's never done crafting in their life can actually do this video. So let's begin. So we're gonna begin with the bunting, which is very simple. A bunting is majorly a streamer or a banner that you put across a room. Now you would have to measure the area where you would want to put this bunting. I've already measured my wall. For this, I would be needing a tissue paper. This you can easily find at a florist. If you do not have this, you can easily use a chart paper also instead of a florist paper. Basically, I fold it into half and then I'm going to fold it again. And cut it from the middle. Then after cutting it, I would have two flaps. So I'm just gonna cut it from the middle over here as well. Putting these two together, I'm just gonna keep half-inch margin over here and gonna cut it. So I would cut it keeping this much border and the rest is a straight cut. Cutting it look like these. So in contrast, I have taken another color, that is the purple color. Again, I'm going to fold it from the center it's done, just cut it from the middle and voila, we are done with our buntings. This is the first piece of decor that we'll be using. What we'll be doing is using one bunting and another bunting like that, and it's just gonna go across the room. So now we'll do the step 2 of the decor, that is the pinwheel decor. For the second set of decor, we would be needing crafting paper, chosen pink and yellow, because I'm doing this decor for a girl. So all the colors that you're gonna see are basically for girl. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start pleating from the longer side and make it into a fan. So once you're done pleating, it'll look like a fan. If you're gonna see, you're gonna find the middle point of it and just staple it. Similarly, we make 4 of these fans. Let's begin. Similarly, I'm going to crease my yellow paper as well. I'm going to take my glue gun and quickly paste it. You can even use a Fevicol or glue, Fevistick. You can use anything, whatever is available at your home. So step 3 is to take out printouts of what you intend on writing on the pinwheel decor. So after you've cut your alphabets, you're gonna realize that some of the alphabets have portion inside as well. So how do you cut that? So it's very easy. A cutting mat at home, then it's great. If you do not, then just get a pile of newspaper and just put it underneath, and then put the alphabet on top, and we're gonna take a cutter and cut it from inside. So yes, that's where our alphabet is, and you can easily cut out any shape like that. 4 is to take a pinwheel and put it in between these alphabets. Again, you can use a Fevicol, Fevistick, whatever you have at home. I'm gonna use my glue gun. Now that we have all our decor elements ready, let's start decorating the space that we want to. One major thing in this decoration, we would be needing our glue drops. Let me just show it to you. Why do I recommend glue drops over anything else like a double-sided foam tape or a DST? Is basically it easily comes out of the wall, so you're gonna use it without spoiling the wall paint. Otherwise, with double-sided tape and sellotape, you end up spoiling the walls. So that's why we recommend this. You can easily find it at any stationery shop. It's a very basic thing, and it's for 15 rupees only. It's not expensive at all. So this is the area where I intend on doing the decor. I hope you enjoyed today's video and this very easy DIY tutorial. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. Till then, bye, take care.